I am Michelle, the Children's Librarian of the Sheridan County Public Library System, and welcome to Don't Splash the Sasquatch by Kent Redeker and Bob Staake. Now, I know we all like to go to the pool and stuff, but you know, sometimes you just don't want to get wet. Now, this is a very unusual pool party. Hello, lifeguard Boobly. May I please sit by your pool? Of course you may sit by my pool, Senor Sasquatch. I hope I don't get splashed. I don't like my fur to get wet. It gets all squigglified. Oh, okay, says the lifeguard. Don't splash the Sasquatch, says the lifeguard. Excuse me, lifeguard Boodley, may I please take a dip in your pool? Of course you may take a dip in my pool, Miss Elephant Shark, but please don't splash the Sasquatch. I think she splashed the Sasquatch. Excuse me, lifeguard Boodley, may I please take a dip in your pool? Of course you may take a dip in my pool, Mr. Octorhino, but please don't splash the Sasquatch. I think he splashed the Sasquatch. Excuse me, lifeguard Boodley, may I please take a dip in your pool? Of course you may take a dip in my pool, Miss Goatwhale, but please, I wonder what? Should I turn the page? Because when you turn the page, something happens. Don't splash the Sasquatch! Excuse me, lifeguard Boobly, may I take a dip in your pool? Of course you may take a dip in my pool, Miss Loch Ness Monster Space Alien, but please don't splash the Sasquatch! Squizzlified. Oh no, we splashed the Sasquatch. We soaked the Sasquatch. We squizzled the Sasquatch. What should we do? Should I turn the page? Are you sure? Okay. We must spin the Sasquatch. We must shimmy the Sasquatch. Shimmy, 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 shimmy. We must style the Sasquatch. Oh my, oh yes, yes, yes. Don't forget the fingernails. Oops. I do not like to get splashed, soaked, squigglified, spun, or shimmy, but I love my new style. Oh, Senor Sasquatch. Now this is special because the picture is too big to fit. Pool party! Oh no, I've been re-squigglified. And that is called Don't Splash the Sasquatch by Kent Redeker. Thanks for sharing my story with me, and be careful, don't splash the Sasquatch. And I'll see you next time and you brighten my day. Thanks a lot. Bye.